Hi everyone, welcome to Vishwa Bloom. So today we are looking at chemistry class 8 periodic properties gold 5. So let's begin with gold bits. So assignment bits, as you can see, among the following the paramagnetic species is Cn minus. So the second one we'll discuss later. Third one, which among the following is diamagnetic in nature? It is H2 and more than one correct answer. The molecule with same bond order is ACD, that is CO Cn minus and NO minus 2. Next, this one, compare properties of O2 and with O2 minus. So I have written some explanation here, as you can see. So first we are finding that, so O2 and O2 minus, as I wrote that. So O2 minus 2 is like O minus and O minus, right? So this 2 can be split, right? So in that way I splitted that, and I wrote this is called as electronic configuration, as you know that electronic configuration we did, and we found the electrons each present in each shell and subshell. Then we found the bond order of it, that is bond order formula is this, right? So Nb and Na we put it there, and we found that it is diamagnetic. So the answers for fifth one are A and C. Option A, that is bond order of O2 is greater, not O2 minus, because O2 we are getting O2 bond order we are getting as, when you find it, it is half of 10, sorry, it's so big, equals to, so O2, what we are getting is half of 10 minus 6 we are getting. Half of 10 minus 6. So 10 minus 6 is nothing but 4. So half of 4 is nothing but it is 2. Okay. So as it is 2, that is greater. So AC and O2 is more stable. Next, helium molecule does not exist. One second. Helium molecule does not exist because the reasons we have to tell. A and C are the reasons. That means helium molecule unstable and it is an inert gas. Statement type questions. Oxygen molecule has 10 bonding electrons. That is true. Bond order of He2 is 0. That is also true. C2 is a diamagnetic in nature. That is also true. And option is A. Sorry, one second. It's not so neat. So answer, as I told, it is A. And next question, bond order is inversely proportional to bond length. That is false. 0 bond order indicates that species do not exist. That is also false. Bond order of O2 minus ion is 1.5. That is correct, and answer is D. Then assertion reasons, bond order of nitrogen is 3. That is correct. Number of bonding electrons are equal to the number of anti-bonding electrons in nitrogen molecule. That is incorrect. Okay, so C answer. So A is correct and R is incorrect. Assertion A, helium is diamagnetic in nature. That is true, as helium has 2 unpaired electrons in outermost orbit. That is also true. That is false, sorry. So C. Next, matching, we are looking at molecule is given and we have to find the bond order for it. Its answer is C. Okay, now looking at the next slide, we have passage type questions. So 12th one, the common features among the species Cn minus, Co and No plus R. It is all are correct. Next is the magnetic nature of NO2 plus molecule. It is A, that is diamagnetic, and bond order of Ne2 is 0. Okay. Now classroom assignment orange worksheet. When N2 plus is formed from N2, the bond order just decreases. Next, which one of the following molecule species has unpaired electrons? It is CO2 minus. Which one of the following has identical bond order? It is A, Cn and NO. Cn minus and NO plus. MCQ with more than one correct answer. Among the following molecules with same bond order are A and C. That means Cn minus and also NO plus. Next, from the molecular orbital theory energy diagram of C2, it is evident too. So this you have to do it. It's a homework for you. Answer is A, C and D. That answers I can tell you. And then looking at the next slide and the last pick. Among the following species with bond order 2.5, which is the species is you have to find this B, C and D. Okay. Next statement type questions. Number of antibonding electrons in H2 is 0. That is correct. A bond order of Li2 molecule is 1. Correct. Total number of electrons present in any two molecule is 22. Sorry, 20. Option A. Oh, okay. A option. I'm marking it here also. Next, assertion and reason type questions. Assertion A, O2 is paramagnetic in nature. True. Two unpaired electrons are present in oxygen. True. That is, so both are true and it's correct explanation also. So A option. A. And the ninth one, lithium is diamagnetic in nature. That is true. Lithium has two unpaired electrons in its outermost orbit. That is also true but not correct explanation. So option is B. And next, looking at the matching 10th one, molecule and a number of anti-bonding electrons are given. Helium, oxygen, neon are the molecules given to us. We have to find the anti-bonding. Anti-bonding electrons are nothing but, I'll say one hint for you. Normally you represent electrons in this way, right? So whichever you are having like this means they are the bonding electrons, first one. And whichever is opposite, that is called as anti-bonding electrons. Okay, so answer is D. So whichever in full this helium you have, so helium we have whichever you are getting like this, which all this you have to count, whichever is in this direction you have to count and just add up, then you will get answer. So I helped you in this way. This is the hint, you have to do it. First pick, just mark it in your textbook, it will be easy. Second pick, mark it. Third pick and the last pick. So hope you all understood it. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to Vishwa Bloom's channel.